When it comes to replacing your roof, many homeowners think that once a roof is installed, they can just forget about it without maintaining it, and that's just simply not true. The truth is that you need to maintain it, and you need to maintain it the right way, so it'll last many more years than those who ignore it. Just like buying a car, you wouldn't buy a car and not tune it up. It's going to need some TLC. At Chase Roofing, some of the things we do is ensure that the roof is clean from debris, including the cricket area and the valley areas. Leaves and things tend to build up there. We do an inspection of the foliage, since trees touching the roof can often cause damage. We check for areas where pesky critters have created an entrance in the house you might not even know about, and we close those up. And we make sure that the gutters are cleaned out, since clogged gutters will cause water to back up on your roof, and it'll cause damage from the leaks. All this will help maintain your roof, so it will last for years to come.
For more information about their roof services, go to chaseroofing.com or visit our website at designingspaces.tv.